Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and send photos in chat on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using the application. And in the bottom right corner, the first thing we can do is choose the team that we want to be a part of. So you can open up the team section and take a look at all the teams that are offered and filter one that is the best suitable for your needs. So once you've chosen your team and open up the team's workouts, you can go to the workout page to get started following the workouts. And what we can do to be able to send photos to the chat is go right here at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you have the chat option. Once you click on chat, it's going to open up this new menu where you can go ahead and access your team chat. So as you can see, I'm part of Team Maximus. So if I click Maximus Team Chat, it's going to enable me to take a look at the chat right here and what people are saying. So basically guys, you can see somebody is also sending photos right here. So what you can do is, if you're a subscriber of the Ladder application, to be able to use the workouts and chat, you're going to have the chat option right here at the bottom of the screen, and from there you can go ahead and input messages, input photos and so on that you want to send, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.